everyone, it's Anne. I'm here to do my creative year, and this week's prompt is selfie, I believe. Let me double check my notes. Yes, it's selfie. So I've done quite a few selfies in recent weeks, so I don't feel as if I would do you guys any justice in doing another selfie, okay? And this is the most recent selfie I did for the explorations of me. And so I will post a link down at the bottom to this particular lesson that I did to show you how I did this, in case you haven't seen it. That way, if you choose to do a selfie, then this is a great tip and way of doing one, all right? So I'll post the link down at the bottom. All right, having said that, I'm going to go using a kind of a different route regarding selfie, all right? I know that many of you that follow me on my Facebook group, Annalise's Mixed Media Everything, as well as my creative year and all the sister groups that I'm involved with. Many of you suffer from fibromyalgia or some form of some kind of painful disability, all right? And I suffer from fibromyalgia and osteoarthritis and a lot of other issues. So the thought for me as far as selfie is concerned is, what do you do for yourself? What do you do to, for self-care? What do you do to try to get your mind off of things, all right? And one of those things for me is art. Another thing is just to get out and take a walk in nature. Even when I'm hurting, just a short walk, maybe even just across the street, helps my mental capacity much better. I feel much better afterwards. Or just even sitting outside with a cup of coffee in my backyard and just relaxing, perhaps throwing the ball for my dogs, that kind of thing. So for me, the selfie this month is going to be, well, I shouldn't say this month, this week, is basically think about the things that you would do for your self-care. So do you like to take a nice warm bath? What could you do to improve that? How could you improve taking care of yourself? As moms, many of us are moms, and some of us have young children, some of us have grown children. But if you recall when you were a parent, how you put your children first for everything. And if you're at my age now, where I'm pretty much an empty nester now, and I feel that there are ways of taking time for yourself. Even if it's just 5 minutes to go into another room, lock the door, and just breathe. Think about those things. Think about what you could do to improve your self-care, all right? So I'm going to write down on my page what I feel that I should do to improve my self-care so that I can be a better person, inside and out. It's not just about diet or exercise or losing weight, that kind of thing. I've always struggled losing my weight. Always struggled with my weight ever since I was young. So that's something that I've kind of given up as far as losing weight to just look good. No. I would rather eat healthy, even if it means me not losing any weight, but eating healthier, trying to cut out sugars in my diet, that kind of thing. So think about the things that you could do to improve your self-care. So I'm going to kind of do like a bullet page of what I could do, and then I'm going to just create a pretty page afterwards. All right? So I hope that you enjoy my process, and thanks for watching. All right, so I've done my little list, kind of a bullet list. And yes, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to make it pretty, and I'm going to cover it. So, but this is what I would like to consider my selfie. This, you know, take care of yourself first, because if you don't, then basically your whole family can fall apart if you become very sick. So it isn't just about, it isn't about being selfish. It's not. This is about maintaining your health and your well-being as a person. So think about that before you take on any more than what your body can handle or what your life can handle. So that's my 2 cents. Take it or leave it, right? All right, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to quit my jibber jabbering. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some gesso to kind of push some of this back into the background before I add any more things to my page. Alright, so I've cut out some of my flowers that I've done in the past. what I like to do is I'll doodle flowers, and then I like to scan them on my computer and then print them out. So that's what I've done with some of these. And I also stamped a butterfly onto some of my old art that I've done. I used as background, and then you stamped a butterfly out. So if you get what I mean. All right, so I'm going to get started and glue these on, and then I'll go on to the next step. This done here, and then I'm going to write, you know, I was going to put take time to smell the, make time to, take time to smell the roses. I'm going to say make time to smell the flowers, because, we need to make the time to take care of ourselves. All right. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed my take on Selfie, and go out and make some time for yourself. Alright, that's my take on Selfie this week. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and that you'll come back and visit me. And don't forget to check out the Facebook group. I'll post a link down at the bottom to my creative year. And thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Have a wonderful day. Bye.